just got up, so I gotta have some coffee, but now I'm gonna prep my lunch. Okay, today on our agenda we have steak, mango, peppers, onions, and I'm going to prepare some rice. Okay, so let's get started here. My grill's warming up. It's getting there. Slow heat, remember. So what we're going to do right now is prepare the peppers, onions and garlic, and over here I have my mango and my steak, and of course the rice. Can't forget that good old rice. You know, rice goes with just about anything. Okay, but we can start off by doing something here while the grills warm up. I'm going to rub my steak with some love, okay? Just a little bit of love. Got a couple chunks in there I want to get rid of. Chunks are good, but sometimes they're hard to rub in. Okay, so I'm going to put some rub on this. Okay, then I'm going to flip it over, dab it a little bit. I'm the only one eating, so my hands are my hands. They've all been cleaned, and I'm not worried about what I'm going to be eating right now. Rub love. I pick some thin steaks because I like to get it cooked quick. When I cook them, I'm usually in a hurry. I don't really get to take my time. So that's one of the benefits of having the ability to do this all I want. With quick meals. Okay. That's gotten some love on it. That's why I call it love. Okay. Until it's getting hot. Wash off a little bit. I'm going to put a sink up there pretty soon with some soap, that's for sure. That'll be nice. That'll be very nice. Okay, here we go. Let's tuck in the old pants, pull them up so I don't look like a plumber. And get some oil on here. Not much, just a little bit. Get that fry going. Gotta have that. Gotta have that fry going. That's heating up. Get that ready. Have another hit of coffee. I'll scrape off the grill. Smell that smoked flavor. Very nice. Okay, we're going to lower that a little bit more because it's getting up there. I can control my temp that way while I do this. Now let's see if the oil's on. Yes, it is. Okay. Here's all my peppers. Put these babies on. Okay. Definitely gotta have peppers. Just a little bit of garlic. Tiny bit. I'm not gonna go crazy with that. And where's my little bit of pepper? And ground black pepper I like. It's pretty tasty, brings out the flavor. But you'll see as I do the meat, you're going to see when I add that to it. Okay? Okay, I'm going to put a little water here, cover it. Steam it. Now, with my rice. Okay, I made rice yesterday. Kept it refrigerated overnight, and it dried out nicely. Cracked an egg, scrambled it, put it in here. That's all I did. Okay, that's usually what I do. I just use a scrambled egg and put it in there. Let me get a little more. Just a tiny bit. The important thing about the rice I found out is you need to coat it real good with the egg. Very important. I'm just going to let that sit. This. Mix them up a little bit. Get that flavor going. Mmm. You can smell it. It smells good. Drop a little more oil. Get some fry going. Get some steam going. Okay, get some chopped onions in here. that up high, didn't I? Right now I'm trying to just cook the moisture out of the rice. Okay? Just cook the moisture out. Just want to get it pumped. Okay? Okay, of course we gotta add some garlic here. Put that down. Okay, now let's check this grill out. Okay, I got a temperature of 350. Perfect. Okay. The rice is almost there. The steak is only going to take a little bit to cook. Low heat. Low heat. That's all I need is low heat. Okay. Now what we'll do is we're going to put our steaks on. Okay, they're very thin. We're going to char them, get the grill mark going, then we'll be all set. Okay? Now when you think you have a lot of the moisture off of the rice, Okay. Everything looks like it's cooking pretty good. It's nice. The flow is going. The peppers are feeling good. Okay. Shut that one off. Turn this a little more. Now, with my rice, just going to cover it for a little bit. Absorb some heat for a couple minutes while I work on these peppers. Okay? Ooh, yeah. These are good. Okay. I already seasoned that. I'm good. And we can probably turn the steak, I think. We're going to turn this puppy because it's going to be there in just a minute. Yeah. Okay, now, my steak I just turned. We're going to do the mango bit. Mango, mango. Put my mango right on the grill. Put that mango right down. Gonna get that cooked real nice like. Okay. You can smell it. Smells good. Yeah, delicious. And I think we're good enough on the rice. Hang that up. Yep, perfect. Now, I use low sodium soy sauce. A little bit at a time. Move these a little bit. We're going to turn them the other way, just a little bit sideways. Not much. My mango. Okay. Now, what I want to do is put gotta make sure it stays nice. Gotta keep on top of that. Mango's looking good. Okay, a little bit more. You're almost ready. Just a little bit more. We'll get our plate ready here. Let's get our plate ready. Okay. And I believe my rice is done. Turn the heat off. Okay. Yeah. So we got a nice little lunch going here. Yeah, move that over. We're going to move the mango over a little bit here. Yeah. Okay, that's going to be nice. And we're ready to plate in just a second. Okay. We're going to plate this shortly. Yep. Ooh, that looks good. It smells awesome. Yes. Okay, give me just a minute and take care of some stuff and we'll get back. Part 2. Part 2. Ready to rock and roll. We're going to plate this and decorate. Plate and decorate. Yeah. So I can't forget the plate. Steaks. Mango. Let that just sit there. Now we're going to do our rice. Some people say that's a strange menu. I'll tell you what, try it out and then tell me it's strange. Okay? There you have it, man. Look at that. We have some nice fresh mango. We have fried rice, steak, and peppers, onions. What more can you ask for? And we rub the steak with a lot of love. Okay, so it does come out good. So, I'm smelling this and it's getting harder and harder. Oh, I'm going to try a piece. Get out. Oh, and watching the video. If you like it, give me a good thumbs up, okay? Appreciate it. Bye-bye. There we go, folks. Mango steak and peppers and some fried rice. Yeah, what a lunch.